It's time once again for The Law and You. With us today, we have attorneys Ciarimboli and Greg Fellerman. Now, you guys are just normal people and mess-ups happen. So today, we are talking about a correction to a question we've answered previously.
Yes, we screwed up.
At least you're man enough to admit it.
Oh,
so
gosh.
What's the question that we kind of didn't get right?
We blew
Here
it.
it is. All right. So this is from a former inspector. It says, I bought a house recently and the inspections were done. However, I didn't know that the inspector didn't do the septic, and now I'm having a problem. Is there anything I can do? We said sue the inspector. So that's what, okay.
Well,
what are we saying
so
that's the right thing to do now?
we kind of missed the question. So the question was, you know, he never asked for an inspection. And so apparently, when you have your inspections, you have to request the septic. The septic is a unique part of the the
it's an additional.
Correct.
Okay.
So you have to ask. So we were
totally
contacted by
separate.
Jim.
Right.
He's a former inspector, and he pointed this out to us. And I assured him we would come on TV and talk about my partner's mistake. No, but we made a mistake, and you know that we're not always right. So we appreciate the input from Jim. And we want our viewers to get the right information.
Hey, I mean, here's the bottom line. I mean, we learned something new. I mean, certainly it's not an area of the law that we practice in all the time. So it was interesting to find out that in real estate contracts, the septic is a specific portion. It's totally separate. You have to have a separate inspection for it. So the inspector, and you may have two different people, one that does the home inspection and one that does the septic inspection. They may be the same people, but you have to specifically request that the septic be done, because it's not something that is, as Jim was kind enough to tell us, it's not something that's normally part of a real estate contract or agreement. The home inspection is, but that home inspection does not include a septic inspection. So, Jim?
Thank you very much, Jim.
Jim, I'm sorry.
He wasn't mad.
Well, now we got the right answer out there and the right information. This is kind of like a consult. You know, you bring the problem, you get a little information, but if you need more help, you hire them.
We always get to the
then
bottom.
they research and find out the correct information.
And thank you to the viewers that, you know, obviously, you know, without you, I mean, you know, bringing us questions and calling in, this is great. So thank you very much, Jim, and thank you for watching.
All right. Well, thank you guys so much for answering the questions today. If you have a question, send it to pahomepage.com or you can give the hotline a call.